The AirPod is a high-tech portable pod designed to give you a comfortable and private space to nap or relax in busy public places like airports, train stations, or even your office. Think of it as a personal, soundproof capsule where you can escape the noise and stress around you. Inside the AirPod, you'll find a cozy reclined seat with an adjustable headrest and footrest, so you can truly stretch out and unwind. There's plenty of legroom, making it easy to get comfortable. Whether you're looking to take a power nap or simply relax, the AirPod has you covered. To ensure you're always at the perfect temperature, the pod is equipped with air conditioning and heating systems, keeping you cool or warm depending on the weather outside. Though it's not available for personal purchase yet, the AirPod is a game changer for anyone who needs a quick, peaceful break while on the go. It's perfect for recharging in public spaces, offering a private, quiet retreat whenever you need it most. The Apex Maker X1 is a powerful and precise industrial 3D printer, perfect for professionals. It features a high-resolution LCD screen, a large build area, and a fast print speed of up to 180 millimeters per hour. Whether you're working on prototypes or final products, this printer supports a wide range of resins, making it ideal for various projects. With advanced features like a high-definition camera, you can monitor your prints in real time. It also comes with a user-friendly touchscreen interface for easy control and a dual cooling system that keeps the printer working under optimal conditions. One of the best things about the Apex Maker X1 is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to remotely manage and track your prints. Plus, the automatic resin refill feature helps you avoid interruptions during long print jobs, so you don't have to worry about running out of resin in the middle of a project. The Batu Airbag Massage Cushion is a smart cushion designed to make sitting more comfortable using artificial intelligence. It features inflatable massagers that gently move about 10 times per minute, giving you a soothing feeling similar to the calming waves of the ocean. With 65 airbags spread across the cushion, it supports your back, hips, and thighs, providing continuous comfort. You can choose between two modes: static, which gives you steady and focused support, or motion, which offers a gentle, relaxing massage to help you unwind. Made with high-quality, sweat-wicking fabric, the cushion keeps you cool and comfortable, even if you're sitting for a long time. What makes it even more convenient is that the Batu Airbag Massage Cushion is USB powered, so you don't need to find a power outlet. Just plug it into any USB port, and you're ready to enjoy a relaxing massage wherever you are. The BrainBit headband is a smart wearable device that tracks your brain activity using EEG technology. Unlike traditional EEGs that use messy gels, this headband features dry, spring-loaded electrodes that stay comfortably in place. These electrodes are gold-plated to ensure clear, high-quality signals. It measures brain activity from 4 points for more detailed readings. This headband is soft, flexible, and easy to clean, making it perfect for everyday use. You can wear it for up to 12 hours on a single charge, and it connects wirelessly to your smartphone or computer via Bluetooth, which helps save battery. For developers, the BrainBit headband also offers a software development kit, SDK, to create custom apps, whether for research, meditation, digital art, neurofeedback, or business. While it's not a medical-grade device, it follows international protocols and uses top-quality sensors, making it a great non-medical option for various brainwave-related projects. The Car Roboter is a clever Swiss-designed system that helps move cars around with ease. This compact robot can tow vehicles weighing up to 2 tons and move them at a speed of up to 8 meters per minute. It's powered by a battery that lasts about 30 minutes on a full charge, making it perfect for parking lots, garages, or places where cars need to be shifted efficiently. The system works on a track, and its easy-to-use design means it can quickly relocate cars without much effort. Whether you're managing a car dealership or just need to clear up space in a busy parking area, the Car Roboter makes it simple and quick. The entire kit includes the robot, charger, and all the essential parts, and it's available for $7,000. It's a great investment for anyone looking to save time and effort in moving vehicles, providing a smarter, more efficient way to manage cars in tight spaces. The Citroën Urban Collectif is a game-changing motorcycle concept that completely ditches traditional wheels. Instead, it uses sphere-shaped tires, powered by small electric motors. This unique design lets the bike move in any direction, giving it incredible maneuverability. Imagine a vehicle that can easily glide through tight spaces, move sideways, and turn without any limits. These sphere tires are not just cool to look at, they're also stronger, more stable, and resistant to getting stuck in mud. Plus, they act like shock absorbers, making the ride smoother and more comfortable, even on bumpy, rough terrain. It's like riding on air. What makes this concept even more exciting is its potential to transform urban mobility. With this kind of flexibility and efficiency, the urban collective could pave the way for future vehicles that were once thought impossible. Introducing the City Hawk, a groundbreaking flying vehicle designed to change the way we travel. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVOL) machine is perfect for many uses, such as air ambulances and air taxis. The local company Hatsola Air plans to use 4 of these for emergency medical services. Powered by a hydrogen battery, the City Hawk is both eco-friendly and incredibly quiet, producing only 70 dBA of sound, which is much less noisy than traditional aircraft. The vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers and a pilot, offering a smooth, comfortable ride. With a range of 150 kilometers and a top speed of 234 kilometers per hour, the City Hawk makes quick travel a breeze, especially for those in a rush. It's built to handle different weather conditions, ensuring safe and reliable flights in various environments. And when it's time to park, the City Hawk conveniently fits into a standard parking space, making it easy to store and use. Doppelmayr Gaventa Ropeways is a top company that specializes in ropeway systems with over 15,400 installations in 96 countries. They create a variety of solutions like cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, and funiculars, serving different needs such as ski resorts, urban transportation, amusement parks, and material handling. What sets Doppelmayr Gaventa apart is their focus on innovation, quality, and environmentally friendly designs. They provide everything from the initial planning of a project to installation and maintenance, ensuring their systems run smoothly for years. Their projects can cost anywhere between $1 million and $100 million, depending on the type and scale of the installation. Whether it's moving people in a city, getting skiers up a mountain, or helping transport goods in a factory, Doppelmayr Gaventa's solutions are designed to make transportation easier, faster, and more eco-friendly. Dubai Healthcare City. Dubai Healthcare City, DHCC, is a special place focused on healthcare, medical education, and research. Established in 2002 by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, it is located in a free zone with business-friendly rules that attract healthcare and education ventures. The project has 2 parts. The first focuses on healthcare and medical education, while the second, still in development, will concentrate on wellness. DHCC is home to over 120 medical facilities, including both inpatient and outpatient care, and many diagnostic labs. With more than 4,000 healthcare professionals offering top-quality care, it's a place where patients receive the best treatments. Nearby, the Mohammed bin Rashid University of Health Sciences trains the next generation of doctors. People from around the world come to DHCC for treatments, whether it's cosmetic dentistry, infertility care, or other medical services. Sweden is about to revolutionize the way electric cars charge with a new project called Elon Road. Hydro companies are teaming up to build a special road that allows electric cars to charge while driving. The project will kick off with a 1,000-meter stretch in downtown Lan City. This road will feature a conductive rail that powers electric vehicles as they move over it. What makes this so impressive is the efficiency of the system. The rail, powered by nearby power plants, can deliver up to 300 kilowatts of charging power with an amazing 97% efficiency. This means that for every kilometer driven on the road, an electric car can travel an extra 3 kilometers on the charge. The main goal of this project is to make hybrid and electric cars more affordable and efficient for everyone. By making charging easier and more accessible, electric vehicles could become an even better option for everyday drivers. The Hyundai Supernal is a futuristic electric air taxi that will revolutionize city travel by 2028. This sleek aircraft, known as an eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, is designed to carry up to 4 passengers and their luggage. In the beginning, a human pilot will be in control, but in the future, the aircraft is expected to fly on its own. The Supernal SA2 has 8 rotors that tilt to adapt to different flying needs. 4 rotors at the front tilt up for vertical takeoff, while the back 4 face down. Once in the air, all 8 rotors shift to horizontal for smooth, plane-like flight. It can travel up to 120 miles per hour and cover distances of 25 to 40 miles on a single charge. Perfect for skipping traffic, this air taxi will be much quieter than traditional helicopters, making it ideal for quick trips between suburbs and city centers. Picture a futuristic ride in 2029, where drivers and their cars connect like never before. Infinity's vision introduces the Air Rally Circuit Triathlon, a thrilling race that begins in Los Angeles, speeds to Las Vegas, passes through the desert, swings by the Grand Canyon, and returns to LA. The race includes 3 different vehicles: an off-road buggy made for rough terrain, a high-speed Formula One car built for smooth tracks, and a versatile fuselage pod that can change to fit any part of the race. The aim of this technology is to improve vehicle performance while strengthening the connection between the driver and the machine. One standout feature is the spinal lock attachment, which uses advanced technology to allow the driver's thoughts to communicate directly with the vehicle. The driver's suit also includes synthetic muscles that help maintain the perfect posture for optimal performance throughout the race. The Lethe E-Wagon W1 Pro is a powerful and practical electric wagon built for everyday outdoor use. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip, gardening in the backyard, or hauling groceries, this wagon makes it all easier with its 500-watt electric motor that smoothly moves across any surface. No pushing or pulling effort needed. It offers a spacious 200-liter capacity and can carry up to 132 pounds, making it perfect for all your gear. The drop-down tailgate makes loading and unloading super convenient. When you're done using it, simply fold it up and store it away without taking up much space. Made from lightweight yet strong materials, this wagon is built to last and easy to handle. It even comes with an optional fold-out table, which is great for picnics, quick setups, or working on the go. A really cool bonus feature is the built-in USB charging port. The LG Healing Me Massage Chair is a luxurious chair designed to help you relax and unwind after a long day. With 10 massage modes like Swedish, Shiatsu, and deep tissue, it provides a variety of ways to relieve tension. It also features air compression for your legs and feet, plus a heat function to soothe sore muscles. One of its coolest features is body scanning technology, which customizes the massage to fit your unique body shape, offering a more personalized experience. Whether you need a gentle rub or a deep tissue massage, this chair adjusts to your needs. It also includes a reclining backrest, adjustable leg massagers, and a remote control for easy use. Perfect for anyone who wants a spa-like experience at home, the LG Healing Me Massage Chair, model MX70B, is available online for around $3,081. It's a premium choice for anyone looking to relax in comfort and style. The Lift aircraft has introduced an exciting new way to travel: the Hexa. This is the world's first electric drone that can take off and land vertically, offering a whole new experience in personal transportation. Imagine being able to avoid traffic and reach your destinations faster by simply flying through the air. The goal behind Lift aircraft is to make flying available to more people, not just a select few. They envision a future where hopping into a drone and flying somewhere is as normal as driving a car. The Hexa is designed to be easy to use, even for those who have never flown before. Safety is a big focus, with advanced features ensuring smooth, secure flights. While some details about the Hexa are still a mystery, it's clear that the idea is to make personal flying fun and accessible to everyone. Whether you're heading to work or just exploring the skies, the Hexa is a glimpse into a future where flying is part of our daily lives. Metro Typhon. The Metro Typhon is changing the way we manage waste. This innovative system uses air pressure to move trash and recyclables through a network of pipes, cutting down on the need for noisy garbage trucks. With the ability to transport materials up to 2.5 miles, it's an efficient way to collect waste without the hassle. What makes the Metro Typhon even better is its flexible design. It uses both underground and above-ground pipelines, making it easy to install in all kinds of places, whether it's a residential area, healthcare facility, or busy shopping mall. The system keeps everything discreet, and you won't hear the usual noise from garbage trucks. By reducing traffic and pollution, Metro Typhon helps make waste collection cleaner and more eco-friendly. It's also a big step toward modernizing waste management. Introducing the Oxima Diving Mask, a game changer for divers. Created by an Italian startup, this mask goes beyond just covering your face. It's packed with smart technology that gives you real-time dive data like depth, water temperature, and heart rate. What makes it unique is the bone conduction technology, which lets the mask send this information straight to you without needing a wrist dive computer. This means you can dive without distractions, keeping your focus on the experience rather than managing gadgets. The Oxama mask is also customizable. You can set it to only alert you when certain limits are reached or get updates every 15 seconds to track your dive closely. Priced at $530, the Oxama mask is a fantastic upgrade for divers looking for an easier, safer, and more connected dive. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this mask makes diving smoother and more enjoyable.